Exercise 6 is a tricky one for the move exercise, and I thought having this video would be a little bit helpful. Plus, I've got a little tip that could help as well. One thing to remember about these shapes is that round shapes are made up of straight parts. And so what you want to try and do is look and see where those straight parts are. If you select a shape, you can see that there's these little spots to grab from. So the easy one is this one. Select it, M for move, and I'm going to grab like up in here. Notice that you can snap to midpoints and endpoints of these lines. Click, and then zoom up to this side over here, and try and find the same spot here. Click. That's a perfect fit. These other ones get a little bit more tricky because you're going to have to rotate them. So I'm going to select this one and type in Q for rotate. And you can see that I can turn into all different axes depending on where my tool is laying out. I do want to rotate in the blue, so I'll hit the up arrow key, so that locks it. And again, find that spot, click, go first in the green axis, click, and I move it this direction, and we're just type in 90. So I've let go of my mouse, I'm just typing 90, press enter, so now I know it's perfectly 90 degrees. M for move, click, and again, zoom up tight, and find the same spot here, click. This one, we want to rotate as well, but this time we're going to do it in a different axis. So Q for rotate, and it's going to be in the red, so I'm going to hit the right arrow key. I'm going to click anywhere here right now, click, come across, again in the green, click, go up, let go of my mouse, type in 90, press enter, M for move, and that's an endpoint there, click, and go over here and see, now I'm having a little difficulty getting down. So what I'm going to do now is hit the up arrow key and lock it. So I'm going to hit the up arrow key. I'm still back over here. I'm going to lock it. Click on this corner so it's locked in this height. And I'm going to go back here, click, and then go back. So again, zip up, and you have to find just the right one there. It looks like I got the midpoint that time of that line. Perfect. One other thing that could be done, let's go ahead and undo this a second, back to where we were, square one, is to go to View, Hidden Geometry. And now we're seeing all those little lines. And you know exactly where the endpoints of all of them are. Another thing too is to maybe go monochrome mode. So that becomes obvious. Now you have to keep track of which is green, red, and blue, but you can go back to texture mode as well. Hopefully these little tips will help with this particular one. It's tricky, but it's not impossible.